In today's video, how to hide your profile on Facebook. You cannot make your entire Facebook profile completely invisible while keeping the account active, but you can hide your personal details. Restrict who sees your posts. Lock your profile or temporarily deactivate your account entirely. Lock your profile. Open the Facebook app on your device and at top right tap on your profile icon to go to your profile page. Tap the three dots next to Edit Profile, select Lock Profile and confirm. Adjust audience and visibility settings. Go to menu from left side, scroll to down under Settings and Privacy, select Settings. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility. Tap How people find and contact you. Then toggle off Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile. Change who can see your friends list. To only me. Change who can send you friend requests. To friends of friends. Temporarily deactivate your account. Back to settings, then tap on Accounts Center. Tap on Manage Accounts. Select your Facebook account. Click on Manage. Choose deactivation or deletion. Select your account and pick Deactivate Account. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.